Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Zelda Ocarina of Time on PC. To begin, you will need two main components, an emulator program and a game ROM file. Emulators are software applications that mimic the hardware of a classic console, allowing your computer to run its games. Ensure your personal computer has at least 4 gigabytes of RAM and a dual-core processor for a smooth experience. This setup lets you enjoy the timeless adventure on modern hardware. Choosing the right emulator is crucial for a great experience. Project 64 is a widely recognized and user-friendly option, known for its stability and ease of use. Another excellent choice is Mupen 64 Plus, which offers advanced customization and often superior compatibility with various game titles. Both are free and open source, providing a robust platform for playing your favorite Nintendo 64 classics. Take a moment to explore their features and community support. Next, you will need the game ROM, which is essentially a digital copy of the original game cartridge. While many online sources exist, it is generally recommended to only use ROMs of games you already own physically. This practice ensures you are respecting intellectual property rights. These files are typically small, often less than 32 megabytes, making them quick to download and store. Always prioritize reputable sources to avoid corrupted or malicious files. Once you have your emulator and ROM, the setup is straightforward. First, install your chosen emulator, then open it and load the game ROM file. Most emulators will have a clear file or open ROM option. Next, configure your controller settings. A USB gamepad is highly recommended for an authentic feel. Finally, adjust video and audio settings to optimize performance and visual quality, ensuring you get the best possible experience from this legendary title.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.